Here I have Cubot P50, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open Google application, which you have pre-installed on your device. Tap on the camera icon, then search with your camera, tap open camera, allow. So now let's scan, for example, this QR code. So you have to you don't have to do anything. As you can see, it already shows me the page which is being encoded to this QR code. Now you have to tap on the search button and this page will be opened instantly. So yeah, that's how you can easily scan any QR code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.